Look at the sign standing tall in the grass.
This is going to be the best playground ever. It will have big
Blueprint for
slides and
magic
lots of
is
swings.
starting at last.
That sounds like so much
Starting
fun.
at
Would you like to see where the red slide goes?
With yellow vest on and a hard hat so new, we're seeing the dreams that are coming for you. Safety fence lines where we stand and we see the busy big world building for you and for me.
Wow!
Digging down deep where the dirt likes to play, building a playground on a bright, sunny day. Now rolling the earth till the surface is flat.
Wow,
with a wide
that
metal
excavator
push
digs
and
big
a
holes.
leveling hat.
It is so strong.
See the gravel arrive in a big heavy load, driving along on the safe gravel road.
Wow!
Safety fence lines where we stand and we see the busy big world building for you and for me. Digging down deep where the dirt likes to play, building a playground on a bright, sunny day.
Mama, look at that giant blue truck.
So much more to see.
It is
Just
so
for you
big.
and me.
Wow, that's a lot of gravel. Yeah!
Green arrows show us where
Signs lead the
materials
way
go.
where the
This blue
zones
arrow points to the
divide.
gravel area.
Swirling
And that
drum
red arrow
keeps
is for
the gray
concrete.
inside.
That is exactly right.
Slowly it turns in a circular dance, mixing the strength for a second chance. From the safe zone lines we watch the flow, watching the thick, warm mixture grow, lifting the beams to the morning light. A heavy reach that is grand and bright. The crane holds the slide in a careful grip, so nothing will slide or stumble or slip. Look at the swings, finding colors so bright, painting air with colors so bright. The steel finds its place and the bolts are tight, adding the flowers for a beautiful sight. Green leaves and petals in red and in blue. Everything's ready for me and for you. Parked in the distance, the yellow line waits while we walk through the park's brand new gates. Lifting the beams to the morning light, a heavy reach that is grand and bright. The crane holds the slide in a careful grip, so nothing will slide or stumble or slip. Look at the swings,
Welcome
finding
to
colors
your new
so
playground.
bright, painting air
Ready
with
to
colors
play.
so bright.
Always remember
From
to
the
play
dirt
safely.
to the sky, now we see
They build
a
parks
playground
and
for
schools,
you
too.
and a playground for me.
They help make our world so bright.
Welcome to your new playground.
Wow!
Let's all play together safely.
Hi, friends! Welcome to my neighborhood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!